This is Frank and George, video log number 1, going into the depths of the rainforest.
I hope there are no trees. We're scared of trees.
Right.
Log 2, we're going to the rainforest.
Let's check for trees.
Watch out for trees. Let's keep walking.
Turn the camera around. So, oh my gosh.
Trees! More trees!
Okay, it's Frank here and George. I think we escaped the trees. Oh god.
Oh god.
What is... Look at my feet. My feet are amazing.
This crake has been here for thousands of bumping trees!
I have conquered this tree. It is fallen over and it is under my...
I've got your baby! No! I can't!
George! I'm stuck! George! George! I'm trapped in a tree hole.
Tree!
1, 2, 3!
Ow! Captain! Loser! Wins! Again! Ow! Sorry, miss!
We're destroying the tree race. George, what are you doing?
I'm yelling at this tree in Trianese.
Tree!
Frank! You're supposed to let go of the tree to throw it!
Okay. That's what you get for fucking trees, George. Tree! We escaped the trees. That's good. Canyon! Ah! Alright, I'm going for the jump. I'm going. Thank you.
Oh, Frank, we are close to civilization. I found a dirt road. Let me see. Yes, we are very close to civilization.
That's illegal.
Frank, what a nice new house we have found.
But it's legal.
No, it's not.
I'm not talking to you.